everybody, welcome to 𝐂𝐴. Today's video is going to be our homeschool holiday plans. I'm going to be honest, I can't believe that we are already here. We spent the entire month of October sick and injured and recovering, and it feels like because of that, the holidays have really kind of snuck up on me. So it's going to be like kind of a rush to get everything ready. It just feels like it's really too soon this year already. But I do have some plans and I'm very excited about the plans that I have. Now, normally our holiday homeschool starts like the Monday after Thanksgiving and goes until New Year's or right after New Year's. And we don't do anything except holiday stuff. That's how it's been for years and years and years. We put all of our regular curriculum to the side and we just do holiday stuff for like that 6-week period. However, unfortunately, because we have not homeschooled for almost the entire month of October, we are going to have to do some math and language arts, which isn't normally what I like to do, but that's just the way it has to be this year. So we will do 2 to 3 lessons a week in Denison algebra, which is the math that Emily is doing, as well as Fix-It grammar, which is what she's using for language arts. Those will be like kind of the basics things that we're just going to dabble in during that time so that we are not getting so far behind that we can't finish them this year. I don't necessarily care if we're behind per se, but because we took a whole month off, I'm having a hard time also turning around and taking another 6 weeks off. So we're going to plan to do some lessons in them and we'll see what actually happens. In addition to that though, for the holidays, I really wanted to focus on like slowing down and spending the holidays more together in a relaxed manner, because sometimes I feel like the holidays can get really rushed between all of the events and the parties and the activities and even sometimes the homeschool plans. Like I love Christmas schooling, but sometimes it can feel like a lot with everything else going on. So the one thing that I'm the most excited about doing in our homeschool this year is our brand new Lights, Camera, Holiday Magic study. It is basically a movie study with 25 different Christmas movies and just like simple movie guide things that are about like the set design or the costume design or the animation. So like actual film study questions as well as discussion questions about the film itself. And so we're going to be using it as an advent. There's 25 movies in it. There's 25 days in December. So we were going to count down to Christmas by doing this study. We're probably going to start it early or a few days early just to give us a little bit of grace. But that is the main thing that we're going to be doing is every day we're going to watch a movie together as a family and we're going to discuss how it was filmed or how it was created and some of the discussion questions with it. I just really want that like peaceful Christmas feeling. And I know that if that's like the main thing that we're doing, I'm going to be able to do that. In addition to that, we have done some form of Santa's Tasty Trip Around the World for years. We still have not gone all the way through it. We pick anywhere from like 4 to 6 countries and recipes to do each and every year. I'm thinking we will probably do about 1 a week. So again, 4 to 6, I'll let Emily pick from the ones that we have left. We'll study that country, we'll pick that recipe, and we will just keep chipping away at this. And honestly, when we're done, we'll probably just go back through it again because it's been so many years and it's just so much fun. This has been like the best holiday study we've ever done in our homeschool. And so I have no problems coming back to it over and over and over again. And then I'm going to let Emily pick a novel study. I have 4 for her to choose from. 2 we have actually already done before, but again, it's been a few years. So if she wants to do them again, that's fine. She will choose between A Christmas Carol, The Best Christmas Pageant Ever, and then our 2 new studies, A Boy Called Christmas, and The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. So those are the 4 that she will be choosing between, and that's the novel study that we will do. Our novel studies are designed to take 6 weeks, so that is perfect. We will just get through one, whichever of those she picks. I'm personally hoping that she picks The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, but I know that she really loves A Boy Called Christmas. If you are interested in doing any of those with us, just so you know, the movie guide and the 2 new novel studies will not release until Monday, the 17th. So They will be in the shop live, and the shop will be on sale. So if you're looking to do any of these or add any of these to your homeschool holiday, wait until Monday so that you can get that discount and see our new studies as well. Okay, I also signed her up for a book club with Mary Hannah Wilson, which I'm really excited about because that book that she is doing is Let It Glow. And I actually grabbed this last year for us to read, and we didn't get to it because the Christmas season got too busy. So we will be doing this one as a read aloud. It will be our Christmas read aloud together because I personally want to enjoy it. And then she will do the book club on OutSchool with her. And then I will also be incorporating some of our discovery decks. We have the Celebrate Christmas one. There's also the Holiday and Festivals one. And then we have 2 new ones that are going to be coming out that are Winter Wonders and Toys Through Time. So those will all be some of the ones that we will be rotating through during that 6 weeks. Normally she watches these while she eats breakfast. So it's like sneaking in a little bit of extra education when we really wouldn't be doing anything else. Like she would just be eating quietly. So this way she's getting a little bit of screen time while also learning while she's eating. Now, in addition to that, we will be doing a ton of family activities that will happen to also be engaging and learning, like building gingerbread houses and baking together and just doing all of those things. We always give her a budget to do her Christmas shopping with. So again, real world math. We will also be reading a ton of picture books, which I will share with you guys soon. And we will be playing a ton of Christmas themed games, which I will also share with you guys soon. So those are just some of the things that we will be doing to celebrate the holidays in our homeschool. I would love to hear what your holiday plans are for your homeschool. Let me know down in the comments.